everyone. If you are a WooCommerce store owner who wants to take their e-commerce store to another level, then WooCommerce plugins can help you do that. But with thousands of plugins in the marketplace, choosing the right one might be quite confusing. Thus, in this video, I have listed 10 must-have WooCommerce plugins that will help you make your WooCommerce store completely power-packed. I'm Aparna Singh from LearnWoo, and let's get started. First on the list, we have WooCommerce Multilingual. Now, in an increasingly global marketplace, the ability to present your store in multiple languages is a significant advantage. Now, WooCommerce Multilingual helps you achieve this by seamlessly integrating with WPML, that is WordPress Multilingual, to translate product listings and create a user-friendly multilingual shopping experience for your customers. Next on the list, we have Yoast SEO. Now, SEO is crucial for attracting organic traffic to your WooCommerce store. Yoast SEO is a highly regarded plugin that provides comprehensive tools to optimize your product pages and content for search engines. It assists in improving your store's visibility in search results, driving more potential customers to your site. Next on the list, we have Shipment Tracking by WooCommerce. Now, the Shipment Tracking by WooCommerce plugin greatly enhances the shopping experience by enabling customers to track their orders in real time, reducing support inquiries, and demonstrating a commitment to transparency. Now, this added convenience builds trust and professionalism, fostering long-term customer relationships. Next on the list, we have WooCommerce Wishlists. Now, the WooCommerce Wishlist plugin enables customers to plan out their purchase in advance or let others know what they want to receive for special occasions. Now, with WooCommerce Wishlist, you can let all your customers create and share lists, drawing more visitors to your store. Next on the list, we have Abandoned Cart Recovery by Addify. Now, the Abandoned Cart Recovery plugin by Addify is a powerful tool for e-commerce store. It automatically sends personalized follow-up emails to cart abandoners, effectively recovering lost sales and improving conversion rates. Now, this plugin is a cost-effective solution that maximizes revenue potential. Next on the list, we have ELEX WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing and Discounts plugin. Now, this plugin is essential for creating dynamic pricing strategies, offering discounts, and implementing personalized pricing rules. Now, the ELEX WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing and Discounts plugin provides the capability to implement dynamic pricing strategies and apply discounts based on a wide range of criteria. Whether you want to offer quantity-based discounts, reward loyal customers, or run targeted promotions, this plugin offers flexibility and automation to streamline pricing management. Next on the list, we have Beeketing for WooCommerce. Now, Beeketing is a comprehensive marketing and sales solution for WooCommerce. It covers everything from personalized product recommendation and abandoned cart recovery to automated email marketing, helping businesses maximize conversions and revenue. Next on the list, we have WooCommerce Currency Switcher. Now, in a global marketplace, currency flexibility is a must. Now, this plugin allows customers to shop in their preferred currency, enhancing the user experience and expanding your store's reach in international markets. Next on the list, we have PayPal Checkout. Now, PayPal Checkout is an essential plugin for any WooCommerce store. It offers payment convenience, catering to diverse customer preferences, while its global recognition expands market reach and trust along with enhanced security features and the simplified checkout process. Next on the list, we have WooCommerce Quick View. Now, WooCommerce Quick View improves the shopping experience by allowing customers to preview product details and make quicker purchasing decisions without leaving the product listing page. Now, it reduces friction and increases conversions. And that was all. So these were the 10 WooCommerce plugins that you must have for your WooCommerce store. Do let us know in the comment section which of these plugins you found to be the best. The links to all these plugins are mentioned in the description. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be signing off and we'll see you in the next video.